So we just got off Radiance of the Sea and we're headed off to Pinder Point Lighthouse. It's going to be about a 30-minute walk, and we have our friends Tom, Ryan,
what's up?
Going to head out with us on this walk, and then we're going to catch a few places. So come along. We're at Freeport Harbor in Grand Bahama, and we're going to go off to Pinder Point. Pinder Point. We're going off to Pinder Point Lighthouse. About a 30-minute walk. As you get off the ship here in Grand Bahamas, you're going to have all these shops right off the bat, but it looks a little different than most places because they are not standing at the door asking for everybody to come to their place. A little different. It's early though. We just got off. It's not even 9 o'clock. We're all aboard at 3:30 today, but some of the same shops, souvenir shops, a little different everywhere here. Every shop has a little something different, but a lot of t-shirts. Now we're starting to see some of the bars and taxi line over here. Norwegian Jim is here in port with us today.
Here's a map to our Pinder Point adventure. But like all adventures, sometimes a wrong turn makes it more memorable. We had a great day, but yes, we made a wrong turn and added a bunch of walking to our trip. Stay tuned so you don't make the same mistake we made. Hi, welcome to Harbor to Happy Hour. Cammie and I travel the world getting off at cruise ports to see and have some of the most wonderful adventures. We look forward to you joining us as we cruise the world. Please subscribe and like, turn on the notification bell. Let's get started with our next great adventure.
Out. There's the gatehouse we just left. There's a ship in the background. So it's about a 30-minute walk. So we're gonna take today to get to the lighthouse. And here we go. Hanging an immediate right, leaving. Looks like there's no sidewalk, so we're gonna be out on the highway. We're gonna have to be careful today because it rained today. So the grass is a little more wet, but we're gonna go and make our way. So as you come out of the port, you can see the ships in the background. You're gonna see these flags and hanging right at the refinery. And you're gonna walk probably another 20 minutes.
So here's where we made the wrong turn and added about 30 minutes to our walk that day.
Okay guys, so our wrong turn on this little adventure, you come by the refinery, you come to a T, there is the out of sight bar and lounge. Don't turn right there. That's gonna add about another 15 minutes, take you back towards the port. What you wanna do is from the refinery, right here, and at this T, you're gonna turn left. Looks like about another 15-minute walk. Little mistake, probably added another 15-20 minutes to our walk, but we're on our way still. We come up here to this corner, gonna follow the road to the left. Right back there is where we made our turn, back by the refinery. Beautiful view right here. The ocean. And there's the lighthouse off in the distance. You can see the lighthouse in the distance. When we pulled into port today, we said it looks a little bit like Seattle with these pine trees. We're on the sides. It wasn't palm trees on the sides of the port, so a little different. But look at that, beautiful.
I'm surprised there's a scrapper.
Walking up, here's all these tankers, and we're walking up to the lighthouse right up here, up on the right. Thought there might be a little bit more tourism here. Thought there might be some trinket shops, t-shirts. I'm guessing this is more of a historical site that is off the beaten path for this island. Kind of a residential area over here to the left. Pretty greenhouse there, beautiful. And here is the light. Well, there is somebody selling something up here. And we're gonna get up to the lighthouse and take some pictures. So we're right at an hour. It's supposed to be about a 30-minute walk. Took a wrong turn. Added, I thought 15 minutes. It probably added another 25 minutes to the walk. But still though, look at this gorgeous view. Look at this view.
Well, Trevor had asked me to give an expose on Sands beer, which I've never had before. It's Bahamian Brewery, and I've got the regular beer, and Ryan has the light beer. So I should be more calorie conscious as well. Sorry, this is my first beer too. But let me tell you what it says on the label here. Brewed and bottled by Bahamian Brewery and Beverage Company, Freeport, Bahamas, made with Grand Bahama's very own pure water, finest malted barley, and best hops. And I'm going to tell you, I've never had this, but they did a good job. It's a good beer. It really is. And great to be sitting out here on a Saturday morning enjoying the view with some good friends, having a good time.
So, you know, it was supposed to be a half an hour walk. We were coming over to Pinder Point, and somehow we got turned around and ended up back where we started. But we did find a shortcut, so probably it would have taken about a half an hour to get over here. It turned into about an hour, but I'll tell you, it was worth it. The adventure. I mean, we're in paradise. There's nobody else here. I mean, literally, there's the three of us and the guy that sold us the beer. So
we got our steps in, worked up
yeah.
a little bit of a sweat, and now we're deserving our reward.
That's it. Cheers.
Cheers.
All right. So we're headed back towards the ship. We saw a couple bars that we'll hit. It is sitting at about 10:30 on a Saturday. So I'm guessing we're about a 45-minute walk. And then we might hang out at the pier a little bit. There's a bunch of shops, places to grab a beer. But we're going to catch out a few places on our walk back. So here we go.
So here the guys are giving me a hard time. Are you sure this is the right way into this restaurant? After we made the wrong turn on the walk to the lighthouse.
Incredible view here. Great staff. It's probably maybe a 10-minute walk from the ship. A lot of staff and crew members here hanging out today. Let's see. They have some sushi, conch fritters. Here's the sushi bar. The chef making some sushi right here. Does a great job. Nice bar. It's air conditioned in here. So this is the view from outside. Here we are sitting. How about this view today? Hey guys.
As we sit and enjoy a cold beer, a cool breeze in Freeport, the sharks swim right beneath us. What a neat restaurant. Pier 1, thumbs up.
just finishing up. We're just finishing up at the Pier 1, and this is how close it is to the ship. You can see the ship in the background.
What a great day at Freeport Harbor. Thanks for watching, and if you like this content, please subscribe. Here's another video of one of our great adventures getting off a Royal Caribbean ship.